And I request all of you to bear with us, and inshallah we Sayyid Sadruddin Sahab, who is the project coordinator.
Colleagues, Dr. Sayyid Tabassum Jafri, Mr. Ijazullah Khan, Mr. Nematullah Khan. We are celebrating today the agreement for installation of made rupees 400,000 of rupees 1500,000 has been spent, and the expenditure of whole projects
to be installed in various parts of Punjab. Now total water filtration plant installed in Pakistan with the courtesy of the government of Japan through the ambassador and the consul general in Karachi are total 14 filtration plants. The ambassador of Japan told us that this was a limit fixed by the government of Japan, and therefore we cannot increase.
Was registered in 1992 of 1860.
Since then, both parties have made tremendous efforts to set up water purification plants between Pakistan and Japan. Today, I congratulate the Al-Khidmat Foundation for its humanitarian efforts. I can say with great conviction that such philanthropic activities ensure the improvement of living standard of local people in Karachi. For human beings to utilize their potential to achieve personal fulfillment and live in dignity.
The organizers to please make these.
Look here, please look here. Please look here.
Thank you very much. And I request all of you to bear with us, and inshallah we hope that this noise will not listen to the national anthems of Pakistan and Japan. Mr. Qazi Sayyid Sadruddin Sahab, who is the project coordinator.
Mr. Nematullah Khan. We are celebrating today the event of Foundation Pakistan for duly signed the agreement for installation of water filtration plants. Nearly rupees 7.7 million, made rupees 400,000. On each installation of rupees 1500,000 has been spent, and the expenditure of whole projects comes to 10.5 million, which has the detail of 7 locations. Was registered in 1992 of 1860 abroad. We can safely live in Pakistan. The religion, ethnics, now we plant location. Orangutan, another one in New Labour Square, size town. Family size 7 person, average income 8,000 to 14,000. Population of the time of signing ceremony with Consul General of Japan. arrange it. They are in